Hello everyone. Yeah, today we will know about how to create a EC2 instance in AWS. Yeah, first this is the home screen. After I log into this AWS console, and this page will appear. Here we can see how to create a EC2 instance. Click here EC2, and you can get this page. And in the top right you have the launch instance, and once you click that instance launch click instance, then you will able to see these options. And here I want to launch the Amazon Linux 2, and we have like Mac OS and Windows and Ubuntu, Microsoft Windows, all these servers we have. And this is a free. And now I'm selecting to launch this EC2 machine. Here it's a Linux. And we have the levels of the systems like micro, small and medium, large. And this is a free. And once we go to this other machines, then we need to pay some amount. So I'm selecting this free tier, and I'm clicking this review and launch. Yeah, here these are the some configurations it will show, and you can click on this launch. And here you can able to choose these options like create a new key pair, and proceed with the key pair. And this is helpful to log in your EC2 machine SSH. And here I'm creating a new key pair. Here select this one, and you can type any text like what is the file name you want to store in your downloads. Like this is a example file, and this will download like example.pem. And you can launch this instance here. Launch. Yeah, this saying your instance are now launching. Here you can see the view instances. Click this, and here you can see the instance. And this instance state is pending, and it will take few minutes to run this instance. Yeah, now it's running. Yeah, and you can give any name to to this instance like example, and you can save this one here. And once you click this instance ID, you can able to see the what's the IP address for this one, and all the details. All right. Yeah, this is about creating the EC2 instance. Yeah, thank you.